Daniyal. I go to uni. I'm 19 years old. Why I came into Forex, so I've been doing it. I was interested into it for a long time, but I never really understood price. I understood like, how to trade basically. I just used to use the indicators a lot and just trying to find like patterns, how to combine all that. So overall, the expectation is to just be able to make consistent pips, like at least 200 to 300 eventually. But yeah, in between, like just to sort of understand price action, the resistance lines, support and resistance, the session confirmations, DXY, all of that, everything just to have a better probability for my success rate, all of that. But yeah, like you can see from the logs that every week I've progressed. Now I'm starting to break even. Hopefully I can start making more like pips in positive. Yeah, just like yeah, not just the pips, like even my discipline. I've been logging all the trades, sending the trades, checking each trade, like why I've lost, going through it, finding out the different reasons why I could have lost, and yeah, a lot different. And now I have a checklist where I know like what to prioritize on that checklist before I take a trade, and yeah, and I know that I can't be trading like AUD, NZD in the London sessions like that. It's not really gonna work. Like it could work, but it's not really gonna work. Cross checking with other charts, the higher time frames as well. I never used to do that. But yeah, yeah. Or online, like you think like I did the baby pips thing, but I could never understand it. Even the session, just the basic sessions like from the times, I couldn't understand like how to do it. Like why you got to trade in these sessions. But in person, like you can ask the questions whenever you don't know anything. You just sort it out. 2 months, I want to be consistently getting at least 100 to 150 pips if I can, and then eventually I want to aim for 200 to 300 pips consistently. That's mainly from like 30 pip trades like that, and then eventually I want to try and do like swings, so 100 pip trades, 200 pip trades like that eventually. But yeah.
So as you can see, this is the basic version of Daniyal's progress tracker. There is a much more in-depth one during the course. That is for when you come into the course. But you can see overall, this is his results in terms of pips wise. First week, second week, third week. He is just about breaking even. In some weeks, for example, the second one, he actually lost pips. So you may think, where is the progress? But the progress is not in the pips in the first 3 weeks, but rather the knowledge that you build up and making sure that you erase your bad mentalities, bad experiences, and trying to find the strongest parts of trading that you like trading the most. So this is where in week 4 and week 5 I refine it down, and as you can see, he started now going into 140 pips overall. Then week 5 was 250 pips. Take into account how much negative pips he actually lost. Week 4 and week 5, 90 and 85, and he's only taking the same amount of trades that he did in week 1 and week 2. In fact, less than that in week 5. So this is the type of progress I want you to really be thinking, okay, when I come into the course, first 2 weeks, it may be a bit of a struggle. Maybe you may not see progress straight away, but it's like a plant. A plant doesn't bear fruits when you first dig into the ground. When you plant it, it takes time for it to start bearing fruits, and this is what happens in week 4, week 5 and onwards.